Hey guys, it's me Ava, back for another episode. As you can tell, it's late in the afternoon, sun setting in the west, and if you can hear, as a bird goes by, you might be able to hear some ducks. So this is the duck enclosure. As you know in the intro, we have ducks. So here's the duck pen. I'll show you it now. Here's the duck pen. So when we moved to this house, there was a big dog pen with a dog area back there, so we blocked that off with a board. And if you walk in, it's all pea gravel, which is nice. And here are the ducks. They're normally pretty nice. I just think they're skeptical of the camera. Hi. Hi. Right there, that's Charlie. That's Butterscotch. And you guys can leave comments for other names you might want to name our ducks. I don't have any food currently, I'm sorry. They're addicted to peas and grass. So we're going to be cleaning out that and giving them a little bit more food than locking them up for the night because sun's setting. And we don't want fox attacks. Even though this pen is really secure, we just want to make sure. So I'm going to go grab the hose. Look out! Okay, fail. This hose is slightly annoying, but I still like it. Ooh, that was a really loud thud. Wow. Hello. Wow. Ran into the door. Hello. So I think they might enjoy this. I'm going to dump out their pool. Okay, this might take 2 hands. Let's see about that. Let's not break the pool. This is the only one we got. Girl power. Yeah. Well, there's that. And that pool goes. Here we have little stepstones just in case they need them to get in, which they really don't, but we still have them there. Then myself, I'm gonna. Oh, yeah. This is their mainly used bowl, so they just get in there for a little quick bath or to drink. So let's get our dripping hose. Let's not step in that because that's kind of nasty. Wow, great filming. Oh. We're splattering. We'll get there. I'm not using a tripod if you can't tell. Where's the good angle? There we go. Where are you going? Come on over! Come on over! Hey there! Where are you going? What's that? Oh no. Stretching the hose out on the fence so I can do that. There we go. You can actually hear me now. Come here, guys. Come here. They're so friendly. Hi, Charles. Butterscotch. The names that you guys can comment. Come here. Play. You think it's food, don't you? Oh, I gotcha. You always want to hold their legs up so they think it's sturdy. I can't get a good shot of that. I'm chilling with my baby. And then the rest of them. Then gently set them down so they're not hating being picked up. So they're not just dropping them. Okay, so this tub is done. tub, this pool is done. We don't want to fill it up all the way because they're still pretty young. We're going to release them down to the pond at the other side of the property. I don't know why I aimed at the house. In about a week and a half, 2 weeks. Just so they get enough time to mature. So I'm going to rinse out this real quick. I can't turn it off there. One hand is kind of difficult sometimes. My girl from Bella's Animals, should look her up on YouTube. She's an amazing YouTuber. She was like one of my best friends. Is one of my best friends, I should say. She's not gone. She does like super well one-handed. I'm used to a tripod. It's gonna splash on me. Prepare. I hate this. Hate this so much. Okay, there we go. Well, yep. You need to clean out in there. Not like you can hear me. Isn't that mesmerizing? Just... There's that. Oh, you guys going in all by yourselves. You're already pooing. You're already pooping. Thanks for that. Well, oh, that was actually kind of scary. Well, that's actually what ducks do, so, yeah. Okay. Oh, what was that? What was that? So I'm going to go turn the hose off. And then it'll drippage down there. So now let's go get the food in the garage. Hi. Okay, that was way too much. Just to give them a little snackage before bed. Hello! Hello! Guys want a little snackage? Let's eat! Oh, yum. I make sure everybody gets at least something so they're not all super hungry for bed. Wasn't filming, that was great. I'm so good at this, aren't I? So good at this. Look at their big old adult feathers growing in. Aren't those so beautiful? If you guys didn't know, these are khaki Campbells. We got them from, Tractor Supply. Yeah. You have a sneezing problem with you eat. You inhale food and do not chew it. That's why you have water. Let's feed you guys a little bit closer to the water. Come here so you can get a quick drink. Stop sneezing. You scare me when you do that because I think you're choking. You scare me, Charlie. Charles. Whatever. Just getting a little snackage. Just a little snackage. Come on. Everybody get a drink. I'm making everybody get a drink. Come on, Butterscotch. Come on. You can get over there. There's a little food dish. I better flip it over because we had a mouse problem yesterday, or this morning. There's nothing in there, but I still don't want them, like, getting the crumbs. So we'll just do that. Oh. Wasn't filming that either. Great filming, Ava. Thanks. Come on. Yeah, so the food down. No stealing that. Come on. Herding them in. Good job, guys. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Good job. So we have this. We did get this chicken house from a friend. Oh, that was a little aggressive. Night, guys. Night. So the water is currently dripping out all its contents. And pool's filled with a little divot right there. Wonderful. Food dish is turned over, water's filled up, and that. So, yeah. I will see you guys next time on Ava's Exotic Adventures. And yes, I said in video before last, I am starting a new channel once my horse arrives at the house. So that's exciting. Pouring out the food. There we go. And I will see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!